Good morning. Thank you for calling Ja Hotel. This is Joyce speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights.
Absolutely, sir. May I know your preferred dates?
April 14 to April 15.
Thank you, and may I ask you, is your stay for leisure or business?
Leisure, I just want to relax.
The sound of great, sir. For relaxing, I recommended our deluxe room with a city view is more spacious than our standard room and including free breakfast for two.
How much is it?
It's only a small upgrading from standard room, but I'm giving better the comfort and more relaxing experience.
What else is included?
Aside from breakfast, you also enjoy faster Wi-Fi, complimentary drinks upon arrival, perfect for us.
That actually sounds good.
Yes, sir. Many of our guests' choice is for a more comfortable stay.
Okay, I'll take the deluxe room.
Wonderful choice, sir. May I know your name, please?
It's Mark.
Thank you, Mr. Mark. Would you like me to add the airport transfer service for arrival? It's a very convenient and stress-free.
How much is that?
It's affordable, sir, and ensure the smooth trip directly of the hotel.
Maybe not for now.
No problem at sir. Your service is confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Ja Hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Mark.
May I assist you to your table? Let me check, sir. Yes, sir. Deluxe room for 2 nights. May I see your ID, please? Here we go. Okay, sir. I authorize you book a deluxe room. Today, we have a special offer for our executive suite.
Oh, I see. What's the difference?
The suite includes a larger living space, private balcony, and exclusive glass access with free snacks and drinks.
That sounds expensive.
Normally, yes, sir. But today, it's offered at a discount rate. It's perfect if you want a more premium and relaxing stay.
I stay at my deluxe room right now.
Of course, sir. No worries at all. Your comfort is still guaranteed. Here is your ticket, sir. Breakfast is arrived to 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at our restaurant. Also, if you need anything during your stay, feel free to contact us anytime.
Thank you again.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. How is your stay so far? It is really nice. The room is comfortable. I'm glad to hear that.
Sir, since you're here for relaxation, I'd like to recommend our spa service. it's one of our most popular experiences.
Oh, what kind of spa?
We offer full body massage with wellness treatments that help relieve stress.
That sounds tempting.
Also, we like to have buffet burgering international cuisine. It's perfect after a relaxing day.
Nice. What time?
It starts at 6 p.m. sir. I can reserve a table for you.
Yes, let's do that.
Great choice, sir. If you like, we also offer late checkout tomorrow, so you can enjoy your stay longer without rushing.
That would be helpful actually.
I arranged that for you, sir.
Excellent confirmation. That's perfect. Thank you.
Our pleasure, Mr. Mark, and your hotel. Thank you for